Hi, beautiful planner people. Welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. I'm Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I'll be planning out the week of August 9th through the 15th. I am doing this rather late in the evening, so I'm not sure how good the lighting is. I think it's okay. But I probably won't be doing much talking during this plan with me. I'll put on some music for you guys because I'm pretty tired. I did a bunch of cleaning today and just completely wore myself out. But I want to make sure that I get this done before my parents come over tomorrow because I think it might be rude to edit while they're here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and put on some music for you, and I'll catch you at the end and walk you through my week.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Live on forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
All right, guys, I have completed this spread and I'm just going to walk through it with you real quick and we'll see you next week. So let me zoom you in a little bit. So up here in the corner, this Mickey icon with the cute little bow is from Simply Watercolors Co. I absolutely love it. She's also where I got this squiggle design with the Mickey. The August script is from Harriet Wright Designs. And then we have our decorative box, and below that I have a Harriet Wright Designs box with a YouTube script from Meg B Makes. Then I haven't completed this yet. I'll probably do that on the plane. And then I gave myself a little checklist here at the bottom, and I just added a Pumpkin Paper Co. little sticker of her in the teacup. On Monday at the top I have a flag with another of those Pumpkin Paper Co. little girls. And then I marked, oh shoot, I can't remember where I got the Animal Kingdom sticker, but I will put that down below for you guys. So I have Animal Kingdom here, and then I have a checklist so I can put all the rides that I absolutely want to go on. And then Tuesday, because I'll be at Hollywood Studios, I have a Hollywood Studios icon, which is from the same place that I got this one. And then I gave myself another to ride list. I will have my flight home that evening, so I have a Joy of Planning little sticker of her sitting on the airplane. So I think that's really cute. And then on Wednesday, I'll have an appointment with my therapist, and I wanted to try and use one of these icons that I got from the Giving Girl, so I gave that a shot. And then I'll need to go shopping because I'm letting a lot of things run out right now, so I'll need to go get a few things, and I'm gonna try and do some more tidying up around here. On Thursday, I have edit and take photos for Instagram, which will hopefully happen. These were also, these little garlands are also from Simply Watercolors Co. I absolutely love them. I need to get more. And then I'm going to send out some Happy Meal actually on Thursday. So I think what I'm going to do is I have one person who, if she contacts me, I'm going to send out some samples of some of my washies too. And I think if any of you guys would like washi samples and maybe a sheet of stickers or something, just leave a comment down below and I'll pick 2 people at random and I'll send them things because I think that would be fun. Then on Friday, I have a planner time script. The pen and the box are all from Harriet Wright Designs. And I have another one of the Joy of Planning cleaning stickers and a little checklist and an icon to remind me to pick up my prescriptions. Then we have on the weekend, I have a little icon or a little script here, I guess. It's like an icon with a script, whatever. That says Disney Plus binge. So I'm going to try and watch a movie. I think that would be fun. I also want to try and clean the windows before everybody gets back. So they will be leaving up there, I think Saturday. They might leave Friday. So I'm not sure if they're going to get home Saturday or Sunday, but definitely by Sunday. And I absolutely love this decorative box down here. Oh, so cute. And then I decided to put the dream one next to it. So I kind of have two spots where I have stickers right next to each other, and I really like that. I have everyone home with this Coffee Monsters Co. little sticker of the heart and the other person. And then I have this little, they're at the computer, and I put family time hangout, because usually when we hang out, it's, you know, us playing a game or watching a movie together. So that's pretty much it. I'm sure that there will be more things as the week goes by that I'll need to fill in, but currently I think my brain is like here. So that's all I have for now. I hope this plan with me was helpful to you in some way, and if you need to know where a sticker is from or any other thing, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I'll answer it as I can. So anyhow, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.